Imagine the thunderous roar of a jet engine, the raw power that propels tons of metal and human lives through the sky at astonishing speeds. The heat that could melt steel, contained within a casing no thicker than your arm. The precision of a Swiss watch, operating in conditions more extreme than the surface of Mars. This is the breathtaking reality of a jet engine in action. Creating such a marvel of engineering is a process that blends the highest levels of precision, performance, and safety. Today we're going to take a journey through the fascinating steps of crafting a giant jet engine in a state-of-the-art factory. The process begins with the careful selection of materials. High-grade titanium, specialized alloys, and advanced composites are chosen for their strength, durability, and ability to withstand the intense heat and pressure of flight. Next comes the art of precision machining. This is where slabs of metal are transformed into intricate components. State-of-the-art machinery, operated by skilled craftsmen, ensures every part meets exacting specifications, with tolerances often smaller than a human hair. Now the stage is set for the assembly. This is where the magic happens. Skilled technicians meticulously piece together the components of the jet engine, from the fan blades to the combustion chamber. It's a complex puzzle where every part is carefully integrated to create a seamless and efficient power plant. Quality control is the next crucial step. Each jet engine undergoes rigorous testing procedures to verify its performance and reliability. This includes extreme temperature tests, vibration tests, and even bird strike tests. The goal is to ensure that each engine meets the highest standards of safety and efficiency. Upon passing these stringent tests, the finished jet engine is ready to take its place in the skies. It's now prepared to power aircraft on their journeys around the world, a testament to human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of modern engineering. To recap, the creation of a jet engine is a complex process that involves the careful selection of materials, precision machining, meticulous assembly, and rigorous testing. Each step is crucial to crafting a machine that is not just powerful, but also safe and reliable. It's a process that combines the best of human skill with cutting-edge technology, resulting in a marvel of engineering that powers our journeys through the skies. So the next time you hear the roar of a jet engine, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that went into creating it. It's a testament to the remarkable capabilities of modern engineering and the relentless human drive for exploration and discovery. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell to see the next video about how oil cans are made in local factory.